Do I need a permit for that? Yes, when it comes to windows, you most certainly need permit for windows. And why wouldn't you? This is your, similar to your roof, it's your first barrier against the elements. And in a hurricane zone, a high velocity hurricane zone, having a good set of windows properly installed with the proper bucking and the proper fasteners could be a major difference between not having it and having it. So let's jump right into it. This project in the city, actually Miami-Dade unincorporated. Um, Look, I mean, it's only one inspection. You just need to inspect for bucking and fasteners. So what's the big deal? Just make sure that you bring in a certified contractor. You can source your windows if you want to save some money and just hire the labor. Most of general contractors will like to sell to you the windows, and they might offer you financing. So just, shop around. It's always a good idea. And like anything else, you need to submit a notice of commencement. You need to provide with the product approval for the doors in this particular case, and you need to provide with the NOAs in this particular case for the windows that we installed. So as we are going through this project, you are seeing the different engineering that was submitted and the different calculations, different aluminum assemblies that the different windows had. Um, all this will be required for any particular unit that you are installing. We had a variety. We have the single hungs that go up and down. We have the slidings that go side to side, and we had the swing doors that were installed. So the job address, the folio number, the contractor number, the name of the contractor, and the different information regarding the project was provided. This project in particular was a two-building structure, and as you can see, the door with the sizes and the Florida product approval was provided on each individual opening. This specific window, a 26 by 19 and a quarter with the NOA specific to that. And just like that, you can follow the pattern on the application. On the next building in a similar way, the NOA and the model for the specific window that was installed, the product approval for these swing doors, the double doors, and all of them are specifically just like that. So yes, you do need permit when it comes to windows and when it comes to doors. You might hear your neighbor, oh, because my cousin got it installed over the weekend and Sunday, inspector doesn't work. Yeah, sure. But when there isn't inspections and when there isn't proper supervision and contractors are not proud of their work and they haven't gone through proper training, you could get sometimes, not everybody, but you could get contractors that might not have your best interest in hand. So make sure that you look out for proper contractors, with the proper insurance and the proper licensing for the jobs that you are looking to do. But if you want to learn more about this type of projects, just follow us.